Okay, hey guys, I wanted to start making videos for Instagram, I guess for my IGTV channel, and I thought it would be a good idea to share what I'm putting in my makeup kit, my travel makeup kit for a client. I have a client today, so what I'm showing you right now is the bookshelf in my apartment that I've kind of set aside or made my little makeup station in my apartment for when clients come over to get their makeup done. I did this as per suggestion from my sister. And right now, what I'm doing is taking things from the shelf. That's why it looks a little empty because this was full a few seconds ago. I'm taking things from the shelf and I am putting them in my travel makeup case. So let me just share what I have up here so far. So I have this brush cup that I got from, can't use that, it fell. I got this brush cup, but makeup first from Five Below, and I actually have three of them, so it holds the brushes that I reach for the most often. Then I have this glass jar that I got from Dollar General, not Dollar General, Dollar Tree, and it is full of disposable mascara wands, so I can just pull these out and go. And what I would do is put these in a Ziploc bag to take with me for my client. I got these lipstick holders from Dollar Tree, and this was full of lipstick. I put those in a Ziploc bag. This other brush cup, another one from Five Below, Wake Up and Makeup. This basket, I also got it from Five Below, and what I have up here are makeup palettes, makeup wipes, brush wipes, disposable mascara wands. Another glass jar from Dollar Tree that holds all my sponges. I have my makeup palette. I got tired of using the back of my hand to apply makeup, so that's what I did for that. These other containers are from Dollar Tree as well. I have concealers, brow razors. There's some eyeliner, L'Oreal True Match. I swear by it. I know it's a drugstore brand, so to speak, but I swear by it. It's great for weddings. And this is based off of research, okay? So everything that I use, I've researched from other professional makeup artists. So then I have concealers here, some more lip glosses, mascara, some primers and things. Then I have my new favorite Black Opal foundation sticks. This whole little square was full. I pulled all of them out and I put them in my case. Then I have some more Black Opal True Color foundation. Also, other makeup artists, professional makeup artists swear by these. So, of course, I went and bought them. Then we have another brush cup over here. That may not be perfect, but my makeup is. All of my glitters, some brush cleaner. Then down here on this shelf, cards, business cards, mirror, eyeshadows in this case. Then I have another little lipstick container down here, and then another basket which is full of lashes and pencils. So that's my little shelf for right now. So let me show you what is in my case. Okay, so here is the traveling case that I'm currently using. I have a case that is on wheels that has like two parts to it, but I'm on the third floor, so it's kind of difficult getting it up and down the stairs. So I opted to get this travel case with the different compartments in it. And this is what I'm taking with me, or this is how I pack for a client or two. So one or two people. I like to be safe than sorry, so I make sure to bring enough and sometimes more than enough. So, of course, I have my brush belt, which I may not even use this. I got that belt from Amazon.com, and you can purchase a belt from Amazon.com. if you need one. But of course, it goes around the waist with the little clip. Then I have my palettes, my Morphe palette. This is, what is this? Your True Selfie. This is a blush palette that I got from Ulta. I'm not sure how I feel about it right now, but it's pretty. Let me see what it's called. It's called Cool Pro. Another Morphe palette, and as you can see, I love Morphe. They are affordable, and the colors are very pretty. These shadows right here. This is the Social Butterfly palette. I have my Juvia's Place palette, the Saharan. Very pretty, very pretty. I want to get some more of these palettes. They cost a little more than the Morphe palettes. Well, that particular size Morphe palette. And then I got the 35R, which these colors are very pretty. And I have other palettes. These are just the ones that I'm taking with me. Then I have all my brushes and my sponge. I put them in the Ziploc bag and not in my brush belt because it's easy to carry them to the client this way. And I'm also going to need a Ziploc bag for cleanup. So Ziploc bags are makeup artist's best friend. Then I have some blushes here, some more blushes, highlighter, concealer palettes, pencil sharpener, lip scrub, mascara. Can't leave home without sanitizer, okay? Always sanitize my hands before I get started. I have some eyeshadow shields, eyeliner, eyeshadow base, some more eyeshadows. My brow products are in there. Concealers, primers, lip treatments. I have some powder that I'm trying out before I go back to my I forget, Sasha Cosmetics. I'm trying this out. I'm giving it a try. I'll let y'all know what I think. Setting spray, which I need to put my new one in here. Makeup Artist Secrets. Then all of those different foundation sticks. I told you about alcohol. You have to have alcohol. This is another primer that I use. It depends on the person's skin type. Okay, but I always go for this one. Prep and Prime by MAC. My contour palettes from Sleek Cosmetics. Those disposable mascara ones. I need to get my lip gloss applicators. This palette, this palette, it comes with a spatula. I also got it from Amazon as well. It keeps me from having to put product on the back of my hand. One thing that I kept having an issue with is getting product off the back of my hand. I have a pair of scissors, razor just in case. Can't go wrong with my wedges, and then all of those different color lipsticks that I had up there that I love to use. So that is that. This is kind of how I pack for clients for traveling or when I'm going somewhere or doing something like that. So I just want to share with you guys. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I will respond to them as they come in.